Hi, and welcome to Zenobia Sewing. Today, I'll be talking about professional pressing, dry cleaning, and preserving your wedding gown. When you're preparing for your wedding day, your gown needs to be pressed to perfection. A professional pressing ensures that, when you step into your gown on the big day, it not only fits perfectly, but also looks immaculate and beautiful. Your dress will look stunning in photographs, boosting your confidence and ensuring it's ready for your walk down the aisle. Wedding dresses are typically stored for several weeks before the big day, often in garment bags. During this time, some dresses may get slightly wrinkled or creased. Professional pressing ensures your gown looks brand new, even after being stored for a while. Additionally, steam pressing is commonly used in professional services to gently relax fibers and remove wrinkles without the risk of scorching or burning the fabric. This method is safer for delicate fabrics and ensures no damage is done to the gown while removing wrinkles. When you're preparing for your wedding day, your gown will likely need a final press before you get dressed. This ensures that, even after sitting, moving around, or waiting for your ceremony, your gown will still look crisp and fresh when it's time to walk down the aisle. It creates a timeless, elegant appearance. A beautifully pressed wedding gown exudes elegance and attention to detail, creating the kind of timeless, sophisticated look that every bride dreams of on her special day. The right pressing ensures that every pleat, fold, and design detail stands out, allowing the beauty of your gown to shine through. Finally, a professional finish provides a stress-free day. Knowing that your gown is professionally pressed means you won't have to worry about wrinkles or an imperfect fit on your big day. It allows you to focus on enjoying your wedding day without any concerns about the appearance of your dress. Professional pressing is an integral part of the alteration process that ensures your gown looks flawless. It enhances the fit, smooths out creases, and preserves the fabric's beauty, helping you achieve the picture-perfect bridal look you've always dreamed of. Be sure to schedule a professional pressing either right before your final fitting or just before your wedding day to ensure you're stepping into a gown that's as polished as your wedding plans. Now, let me explain the importance of properly cleaning and preserving your gown to help protect the memories and beauty of your special day. Whether it's from the grass, the beach, wine or food spills, or simply enjoying the fun moments of your wedding day, your dress might need more than just a quick clean. Professional cleaning and preservation not only restore its beauty, but also ensure that your gown remains a cherished keepsake for years to come. Whether you choose to display it, keep it as a memento, or pass it down in the future. Taking the time to properly clean and preserve your gown will help protect both the memories and the beauty of your special day. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share with your friends and family, or with any upcoming bride.